Are you looking for ways to earn extra income without any special skills or expertise? Well, you've come to the right place. Welcome back to Cash Collect. In this video, we'll share you with some of the most profitable online side hustles that you can start right now, regardless of your experience or background. From virtual assistants to print on demand, we've got you covered. So, sit back, relax, and get ready to learn how to make money online in 2023. Side hustle number 1: online tutoring. First up on the list of possible side gigs is providing online tutoring. With the advent of online tutoring platforms, anyone with specialized knowledge in any field may now offer their services to students in need. All you need is some expertise in a particular area and access to the internet on a PC with a webcam. Keep in mind that you probably won't be tutoring college-level pupils and that you can help kids who are just starting out with a fundamental understanding of the subject without being an expert. Tutoring is now more accessible than ever, thanks to websites like tutor.com and VIP Kid. If you're interested in learning more, you can do so at the aforementioned websites. Side hustle number 2: freelance writing. Second, you may try your hand at freelance writing as a side gig. If you're good with words, freelance writing could be a great way to earn extra money on the side. Article writing, blog entries, and social media content creation are all in high demand from corporations and sole proprietors. Websites like Upwork.com and Fiverr.com are good places to begin with this. Both of these platforms make it simple to present your professional profile and the services you offer to potential clients. Then, a flood of prospective clients eager to hire freelance writers will find them on their own. Knowing firsthand the market size and need for this service thanks to my own experience hiring writers multiple times on my specialized affiliate marketing websites. Side hustle 3: social media management. Thirdly, a lucrative side gig is managing social media accounts. What's your social media IQ? The majority of us certainly are now. In such a case, you might want to think about managing other people's social media accounts on the side. Many startups and solopreneurs struggle to keep up with their social media. You may fill this void by making content that others want to read. You may connect with your followers in advance and plan posts. Because so many organizations and startups need to establish a social media presence but lack the in-house resources to do so, you'll discover that this one too has a sizable customer base. Side hustle number 4: graphic design. That leads us neatly to our next alternative income option, which is graphic design. Why not make some extra money by using your design skills? Graphic designers will always be in demand because of the wide variety of projects they may work on, from logos and branding materials to websites and social media content. Again, sites like Upwork and Fiverr allow you to list your skills and get in front of clients who are actively looking to hire somebody with your skill set. The secret to success in this endeavor is to take advantage of pre-made templates provided by graphic design software. Instead of coming up with completely new designs for each project, you may just modify existing ones. Make sure that the graphic design software you're using offers pre-made templates that can be used for commercial purposes. The most important thing is to ensure that you can sell those templates to customers. For many years, I've dabbled with graphic design as a side gig. Placeit.net comes highly recommended by me. Because their main selling point is that everything on their website can be used in a business context, that's the one I use. They have no copyright issues either. Since I've been using Placeit.net for years, I've accumulated a discount code that I'm happy to offer to you. In case you're curious, I'll provide a link to it below. You'll save 15% on any of their subscriptions with this. Side hustle number 5: virtual assistants. This is more commonly known as a virtual assistant. As a result, as a virtual assistant or VA, you'll be able to assist entrepreneurs, professionals, and small company owners with a variety of day-to-day duties. This would typically involve tasks like responding to emails, making appointments, and entering data. They needed a bit of help, but I wasn't contributing anything particularly special or out of the ordinary. This can be a great side gig if you're a detail-oriented, communicative person who doesn't mind working from home. If you're looking for customers in this industry, I can suggest 2 places to look. Belay is the first, while Time Etc. is the second. Both are excellent resources for matching those interested in virtual assistant work with those in need of such services. This is yet another area in which I have found it useful to employ virtual assistants. The most challenging aspect of the employment process for virtual assistants has been identifying qualified and trustworthy candidates. If you're serious about starting your side business, demonstrate these qualities to your potential customers. Side hustle number 6. Drop shipping. Sixth supplementary income option, drop shipping. This method of doing business allows you to sell goods online without the need to keep stock on hand. There are dedicated platforms where you can team up with a manufacturer and have their goods shipped directly to your clients. Some of them are powered by Shopify. That's the main thing for opening a shop, I think. And Overlow, which will be quite useful in putting you in touch with the drop shipping companies. It takes some effort to get this one set up. However, once you have everything set up, making sales is simple. I've done this before and made some decent money very quickly. But the one thing nobody tells you is that you're in charge of all customer support. This can quickly become tedious work. You'll be fielding inquiries related to shipping and product selection. In this case, you essentially play the role of a customer care representative. However, you may always employ a virtual assistant to handle these tasks for you. Side hustle number 7. Affiliate marketing. Now, we get to our 7th supplementary income source, affiliate marketing. Simply put, you will be marketing the goods and services of others for a commission. Free of charge, you can form partnerships with businesses and receive custom links to promote their products. If people click on your link and end up buying something, the company will know who to credit for the sale and will pay you a commission. Having a YouTube channel allows you to upload videos promoting your items there, in addition to blogging and social networking. And to be clear, you can join almost any major company's affiliate program at no cost to you. Amazon, Best Buy, and Trek Bikes are just a few examples of such businesses. Simply type the name of the firm into Google and add affiliate program to check whether a page appears with details on the affiliate program they provide. Side hustle number 8. Print on demand. Printing on demand is the 8th supplementary business to be discussed. Because it generates no effort on your part, this is one of my top picks. To put it simply, you may make money by designing and selling merchandise on sites like Amazon, TeePublic, and Redbubble. Basically, you make the graphics and post them online. What that would look like on various things is virtually cataloged by them. The website takes care of everything from printing and shipping to customer service when consumers purchase your stuff, establishing new designs, putting them online, and establishing more of these online listings is all that is required. I think this is a fantastic option for those looking for supplementary income. If you're keen on learning more about how to achieve this, I've included a link to a comprehensive guide in the description. This guide is practically a full-length course, yet you can access it for free on YouTube. We hope you enjoyed the video, but now that it's over, what did you think? Leave your comments down below and don't forget to hit that like button. Also, click subscribe if you enjoyed the video and want to see more from us in the future. By the way, we also have a video about 5 unique side hustles. So if you're interested in doing that, click the tab presented on your screens. Thank you for taking the time to watch this.